Boys, look what I got. Alright, well, it has been a long time since one of these. Why do I still have? Yeah, so yeah, thanks for Diarrhea for sending this out. So yeah, today we have a new keyboard. I'm going to be doing an honest review on it. I have worked with Diarrhea in the past, and I'm working with them now, as y'all can see. Alright, here, oh, the glare, wow, that's me, GK61, mechanical keyboard. Let me open this boy up, currently ripping it open. Alright. Here we go, box without the plastic to make it really glare bad. Open it here. I should be a pro at this by now, but I'm pretty stupid still. Oh yeah, that is nice. So, right here, we got the keyboard. Manual right here. Then in this little box, under box thing, open it up, we got a packet with got a switch puller and a keycap puller. Man, it has been so long since I've done anything with keyboards, so like, this stuff is, yeah. So yeah, switch puller, keycap puller, a nice cable, coiled cable. Or not coiled, braided cable. I don't remember, I'm so bad at this now. Alright, then we got some extra switches to try. I think they are reds. One red, one brown, I think. And they're optical, obviously, because this is an optical keyboard. And it is hop swap. So yeah, anything else in there? Nope. I don't want to abuse the box, so yeah. Okay, so the thing about this one is that I think it's also Bluetooth, which would be absolutely awesome. So yeah, here's the actual keyboard. My lighting is a little rough right now. There we go. Alright, and I got it in Gateron Optical black switches, I believe. Alright, I really like these blue. It's cool when the keyboards come with these extra keycaps like this. So that's really nice. But I'm gonna test the Bluetooth right now. So on the back here, there's the little dongle. There's an on and off. So if I flip it on, ooh, lit up, nice. Alright, let me click on my other monitor. Alright, see if it works. It's not working. I'm doing something wrong.
Later that same evening.
There we go, okay. Alright, now I get it. Okay, so, function plus space. You click it, you see it flashes. That didn't turn anything, okay. Flashes blue. See, blue. That means it is in wired mode, so you gotta plug it in to use it. So I have my plug right here. If I plugged it in and started using it, then it works. Then if I press function again, right here, and it does the green. Then I type, and over there on my other monitor, it's typing on Discord. Because Discord mod. I actually just entered new keyboard. Alright, moving on. Let's see, what else do we got to review about this? Okay, so a couple things. Hold function and press the window. If you press the Windows key, it locks the Windows key. So it'll turn red as it shows there, right there, it turns red, so it locks it, which is cool. Then function plus these bars over here will change the brightness, or change the lighting modes. There's all the different colors, which is pretty neat. This one also does stuff too. I think that slows it down. So yeah, very neat. I think I'm gonna put it on one of these blue ones. That looks very cool, I'm not gonna lie. Other than that, obviously there's a bunch of shortcuts because it's 60%, but I bet you guys all know that. And they are on the keycaps, which is very helpful. And you can also connect it up to 3 devices via Bluetooth right here, or obviously just use the dongle. So yeah, that's very cool. So I bet you guys are just waiting for the sound test, so might as well just go straight to that. Alright, so final thoughts on this thing. I really do think it's actually a good keyboard. Like, no bias, no anything. Not just because they send it out, whatever. Like, I actually do think this is a good keyboard, especially for the price. As keyboards just keep getting cheaper, like, it's really nice because you can find something like this for $40. And it's the best one out of all these at this price range. So, I think it's normally $50, but right now it's on sale for $40 as I'm making this video. So I think it still should be when I post it. But yeah, I think this is an awesome keyboard. It sounds really good for the price, and also to get optical switches is also really good. So I also should probably show that off. Let me just show that off real quick. If I use these handy tools that they supplied us with, this keycap puller, gotta spread it out a little bit. Go over here to the escape key, and I pull it off. There's a keycap. We can go here and grab this one up. Grab this keycap. The RGB is still shining, but we'll grab the keycap by the sides right here. As you can kind of see, it's horizontal. Go on both sides, and you shouldn't have to pull too hard, but it should just pop right out there like that. Might have to get a little yank, but they're optical switches, so it should be fine. Go in this bag. You can get either the red or the brown. I'll get the red to show off. Then you put, it should be up right this way. I don't know if it's gonna focus, but because then the RGB can show. Smack it in there, real easy. Put the keycap back on. You got a perfectly functional keyboard once again. You can always go to one of those websites to check it, make sure that it's all good. But yeah. So yeah, I really do like this keyboard, and thanks for Gateron or TMKB or whatever you guys are called. I think it's both. I'm not even sure. But thanks for continuously working with me with these keyboards. I definitely love working with you guys. And thank you for sending this out for review. And other than that, I'm kind of coming back to making videos again. I have a couple good videos coming out pretty soon. A little different from my style, and some similar, but yeah, we got some videos planned coming up. But also let me know down in the comment section below what else you want me to do. Subscribe, please, since I'm coming back a little bit. Use code Stoops on the Fortnite item shop. No one really does anymore, so that's why I shouldn't take 3-month breaks for no reason. Well, I had reasons, but you know. So yeah, use code Stoops on the Fortnite item shop. Subscribe, hit that like button. Definitely check out this website. Go get this keyboard on Amazon or the website. I think I have a promo code code for this website too, in the description below. So yeah, other than that, thanks for watching. Go get the merch in the description below, and yeah, see you guys later. Subscribe, please. Thanks for sending this out, Gateron.
Bro, you're not subbed to Stoops-1 on YouTube, bro? Literally, you're so trash.